To my channel, and here we are going to solve this particular question, and we are told here that the sketch in figure 1 shows a 3-piece cylindrical pipe of diameter 50, and we are asked to draw full size the given views. That is question A. Then question B says we should develop we should draw the development of pipe Q using KK as the seam. So these are 3 pipes that is being this is being referred to, and then this is pipe P, pipe Q, and pipe R. So for pipe P, distance from here to here is 35, and from here to here is 50. Then for pipe Q, distance from here to here is 75. Okay, so then this is where we have KK, while for pipe R we have distance from here to here to be 70 millimeters. So let's see how this work can be done. So what we need to do first is to draw a circle. So we need to draw a circle. So I'm going to our semicircle. So I will draw a semicircle. So we draw a vertical center line here, and then we draw a horizontal center line here like this. Okay, so having drawn that, the next thing I'm going to do is that, so I will take my compass and take a measurement of 25 millimeters on my ruler. So this is 25 millimeters. So let me use this, you can see this very well. So this is 25 millimeters. So putting it at this point, so I will draw a semicircle. So draw a semicircle, and you can draw a circle if you like. So but for me, I want to use a semicircle. So then we divide this semicircle into 6 equal parts. So here we have this point, and then so we have this. Okay, so then from here, so we have this point. Then I will put it here, and also we have this point here. Alright. Okay, so then we need to number this point. So if this is point 0, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and then this is 4, 5, and 6. So here I'll be having 7 here. So this point is 8. So this is 9. Okay. And this is 10. So while this is 11, so that is what we have there. So we have it to be in 12 equal divisions, as you see it there. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So here I will draw a vertical line here, and at this center also I will extend this center line a bit, and also at this point I will draw a vertical line. So then I will take a measurement of 35 millimeters here. This is 35. While I come here, so from this point 6 here, I take 50 millimeters up. Okay, so if I join this together, so I join this point together, so the whole of this will give me pipe P. So I make this a thick line. Okay, so this is also a thick line. Okay, so then, so make this a thick line. So this is pipe P. So I'll just write P here. So this gives us pipe P. Now to now draw pipe Q, so I'm going to take my 60-degree set square, as we have that this side of the pipe Q is at angle 60 degree to the horizontal. So I'm going to draw a line from this point at angle 60 degree. So this is it. Okay, then coming to this point, I will also draw the line at 60 degree. So the lines must be parallel, and also here I will draw a center line from this point here. So a center line. Okay. Alright, so then I need to extend this line so that I can take a measurement of 75 millimeters. So this is it. So on this line I will take a measurement of 75 millimeters from this point, so that I can bring out pipe that's pipe Q. So this is 75 millimeters. So that's 75 millimeters. So then another thing that we have here, I need to explain this. So if you look at this distance, the distance from here to here, so that is not given. That is not given. So that is not given to us. So how can we get that done? So what I have here, so for this, so what I have here, so this line is a straight line. So it's a straight line. So if I draw this straight line, all right. So what I need to do here is to take my 60-degree set square and bring it to this point here. So bringing it to this point where we have that 75 millimeters. So where we have 75 millimeters, then I'm going to draw a line. So from here to here. So we have this. Okay. Now, okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to draw a line from here. So we draw a line from here to here, and then coming to this point. So we also draw this line. Okay. So then I will draw a center line here. So here I will draw a center line. Alright, so we have this. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to take a measurement of 70 millimeters so that we can bring out pipe R. So this is 70 millimeters. Then, so looking at this, so I will just draw a vertical line here. So this is a vertical line from here. Alright, so this gives us pipe. So this is pipe Q. Okay, and this is pipe R. So we have drawn the 3 pipes. So we have drawn the 3 pipes. So I need to make this line a thick line. Okay, then this line also, I need to make it a thick line. Then this line, so it's also a thick line, and this line is also a thick line. So having done this, the next thing that I'm going to do, we are asked to develop pipe Q. That is what the question says, and here we have K here. So for the seam, so this is K, K. So for the seam. So now, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to from this point here, so we are going to produce this point on the semicircle. So we take them up. So this goes like this, and then so we take this up, and then so we come here, we take this up, and then we also take this up. Alright, so we have this then. So with my 60-degree set square, so I'm going to transfer this point. So I'll transfer this here, and I will also transfer so this point here, and then so this point, so I'll transfer it here, and then this one, so I'll transfer it so here. Alright, so we have this. So the next thing I'm going to do so is that so I need to number this point. So this is 0.0. So at where we have K. So here we have what we have 1, 11. So this is 2, 10, and this is 3, so 9. This is 4, 8. Okay, so this is 5, 7, and this point is 6. So then, so what we need to do now is that, so from this point, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw a horizontal line here like this, and then from this point, I will draw a horizontal line. Okay, so here from this point, we draw a horizontal line, and then from here, so we also draw a horizontal line here. So coming to this point here, we draw a horizontal line. Then, so at this point, we also draw a horizontal line. Then having done this now, so the next thing I'm going to do is to come up here. So we come up here. So here we draw a horizontal line. Okay, so then this point here, so we draw a horizontal line here. So from this point, so we draw a horizontal line. So from this point here, we also draw a horizontal line. So at this point, we draw a horizontal line to this side. So we also do the same thing. So here, and then here we also draw a horizontal line. So then the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to calculate the circumference of this circle, so the circular base of this pipe, and that circumference based on my calculation, that is we multiply the diameter by 3.142, which is the value of pi, and that will give us 157, approximately 157. So I'm going to terminate okay, so I'm going to terminate it here. So just to draw a vertical line here, and from this point I'm going to take a measurement of 157 millimeters. So 157 millimeters. So thank God. Okay, so this is 157. So I have 157 here. Okay, so that's 157. So I'm going to divide this distance into 12 equal parts. So into 12 equal parts. So I'll pause the video, do that, then when I'm done, I'll return and show you what I've done. Alright, so I've divided the line into 12 equal parts and I've numbered, as you can see here. So what we need to do now is that we are going to erect a vertical line on each of these points. So we draw this vertical line, and then so we also draw a vertical line here. Okay, so at this point 3, so we draw a vertical line, then erect a vertical line here. Alright, so with what we have done here, so we go on to locate the point of intersection of the line. So we are opening from here, so we are cutting it from here, and we are going to spread it. So starting with what we have here. Alright, so 0, so 0 here, and we have 0 here at this point, so we also have 0 here. Okay, so we have that, so we have 0, 0 here. Okay, so then next is we have what we have point 1. I have not drawn a horizontal line for point 1, sorry for that. So this is where we have point 1. So I need to okay, so alright, so here we have what? So here we have 1, so they intersect at this point, and 1 also goes with 11, that is this point here. Then we have 2, so 2 is at this point. Okay, so 2 goes with 10. Okay, so next is 3, so this is 3, so 3 goes with 9. Then next is 4, so 4 goes with 8. And then here we have 5, so 5 goes with 7, and then here we have what we have 6 here. I'm following this numbering, so that's that. So we come up here, so for 0, so we have what we have this point and this point here, and for 1, so for 1, so we have this point, and 1 goes with 11. Then 2, we have this point, So 2 goes with 10. Then we have what? We have 3. So 3 goes with 9. Then we have 2. So 2 goes, sorry, we have what? We have 4. Sorry, 4. So 4 goes with 8. Okay. Then we have what? We have 5. So 5 goes with 7. Then we have what? We have 6 here. So that is what we have. So we are going to use French curve to join this point together. So if I'm joining, so this point together, you have to look at the curve, how the point goes, so that you can produce a perfect curve. So as you see it being done here, so I can still join these 2 points together like this. So then, so this this goes together. Alright. Alright, so then okay, so coming like this, so join this point together. Alright, so we have that. So then we come here now. Alright, so we have these parts. Okay, so then we also come to this side. Alright, so we have that. So another thing that we have, so we need to make this line. So make this line a thick line. We also make this line a thick line. So this is the surface development of part Q as we are instructed to do that. So thank you and God bless you.